Ladies and gentlemen, this is the shortest lecture. The research story started in 1964 when Arthur Koestler published The Act of Creation, and he discovered in art, science and humor the three dissociative reactions: in art, ach; in science, aha; and in humor, haha. English offers us a pun. Ash means the ash, and ach, aha, and haha means the happy. So to say, discoveries, when we are rewarded by endorphins and dopamines and the feeling of happiness, of having something dissociated, and our sense of life from this point of view can be understood that from the ash of everyday banality we collect these happy situations, recognitions, serendipity. And to conclude with something original, I observed in Austria, in Austrian Academy, many times a behavioral embryo where we are not sure if it will be ach, aha or haha, and sometimes we stay happy with this and this is the end of the shortest lecture.